If you've just been laid off, I know exactly how it feels. I got laid off too last year. It's a punch to the gut. A mix of fear, anger, confusion, and that heavy silence after HR says, your position has been eliminated. You start wondering, what now? How will I pay the bills? What will my family think? Am I a failure? Take a breath. You are not done. This is not your ending. This is the start of your next chapter. Step 1. Allow yourself to feel. The first step is to give yourself permission to feel everything. Don't suppress it. Cry, if you need to. Let yourself grieve the loss. This isn't weakness, it's healing. Maybe you're a single parent suddenly worried about rent. Maybe you're fresh out of school wondering how to explain this to your family. Or maybe you're 50 and thinking, who's going to hire me now? Each fear is valid. But none of them mean you're worthless. Feel it fully, but don't camp there forever. This stage is temporary. You are not your job. You are not your paycheck. You are so much more. Step 2. Secure your essentials. Next, steady your foundation. Review your severance. File for unemployment benefits if you qualify. Cancel the subscriptions you don't need. Call your bank if necessary to restructure debt. This isn't defeat, this is strategy. Think of it like a sports team calling a timeout. You're regrouping, not retreating. Every hour of panic is an hour wasted. But every step toward financial clarity is a brick in the foundation of your comeback. Step 3. Reconnect with your network. This is not the time to hide. Reconnect. Reach out to colleagues, mentors, former bosses, friends. Say it with confidence, I'm ready for my next challenge. Today, networking doesn't just mean handshakes at conferences. It means messaging on LinkedIn. Commenting thoughtfully on someone's post. Sending a quick voice note instead of a formal email. Simple actions that remind people, you're here, you're capable, you're open. Opportunities often come not from strangers, but from people you already know. Don't be ashamed to reach out. It's not weakness, it's wisdom. Step 4. Invest in your growth. Your old job may be gone, but your skills remain. And they can grow. This is your chance to sharpen them. Learn that software everyone in your industry is using. Take that online course. Earn that certification that could set you apart. And if money is tight, there are free platforms everywhere, from YouTube tutorials to online learning hubs, that give you tools to upgrade. The world we live in now moves fast. Skills expire. But adaptability never will. Don't wait for opportunity to come. Be ready before it arrives. Step 5. Explore building something of your own. What if this layoff is not just a setback, but an invitation to finally build something of your own? Maybe you've always dreamed of starting a small business. Maybe you have a hobby, photography, tutoring, design, writing, that could turn into income. Maybe it's freelancing on the side to test your skills. Relying on just one paycheck is riskier than ever. But creating multiple streams of income? I'll be creating more videos on how to build multiple streams of income, and I'll be sharing every step with you. That's security. Some of the world's biggest companies were born during recessions, built by people who had nothing left to lose. What feels like the end could actually be the seed of something powerful. Step 6. Shift your identity. Right now, you may feel like the person who got laid off. But that is not who you are. You are not defined by a job loss. You are a fighter. You are a learner. You are a builder. You've overcome setbacks before, maybe heartbreak, maybe illness, maybe failure. And yet, you're still here. This is proof, you can rise again. Identity isn't what's written on your business card. It's what you carry inside. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt. Step 7. Take small daily steps. Transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens in small, consistent actions. Update your resume today. Make it ATS friendly so it will easily pass to online recruiters. Tomorrow, send a message to a recruiter. The next day, watch a course. Write down your goals. Sketch out a budget. One small action a day compounds into massive change. Consistency is more powerful than bursts of motivation. Tiny steps every day can move mountains. Step 8. Envision your future self. Picture yourself in 6 months. In 1 year. In 5 years. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you becoming? Close your eyes and see it clearly. Maybe you're thriving in a new role. Maybe you're leading your own business. Maybe you're in a healthier place mentally and financially than you've ever been before. Remember, you are not being buried. You are being planted. And growth always comes after planting. Step 9. Remember you're not alone. It feels lonely now. But you are not alone. Millions have stood where you stand. Millions have risen again. From recent graduates to experienced professionals, from single parents to retirees, layoffs do not discriminate. But neither does resilience. People from all walks of life have turned their darkest days into their brightest beginnings. And so will you. You are part of a global community of survivors, fighters, and dreamers who refuse to let circumstances define them. Final step, rise and rebuild. This layoff is not your downfall. It is your turning point. It is the start of something greater. You are stronger than this moment. You are greater than this challenge. And your story is far from over. The world is waiting for the next chapter of your greatness. Don't keep it waiting. If you're ready to rise from this setback, if you're ready to rebuild and transform, I want you to join me. Subscribe to Grind and Grow. Together, we turn setbacks into comebacks, pain into power, and struggles into strength. Because this layoff? It's not the end. It's your launchpad.